Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing precisely. Load the crash shot module, verify 100% ammo and any 1/2 cooldown mods, and set your stance near cover. Once done, scan the map for clear sight lines and a fast escape route because timing matters. Crash shot is a burst tool. Make your first actionable move now. Approach the engagement angle slowly, aim for high-value targets, and trigger only when you have partial cover. This minimizes exposure and makes your opening shot count. You execute the core technique by timing the charge between 0, 5 and 1, 2 seconds so the projectile distribution favors a high-impact zone, and you do this because spread increases over longer charges. Once charged, aim low then sweep upward to hit torso to head. This compensates for drop and maximizes damage. After each shot, use a burst cancel or a short mobility dash to reset animation and cooldown. Make sure to rhythmically alternate shots so you keep pressure without running out of resources. You finish engagements by retreating to cover and conserving roughly 20 to 30% ammo for any swift re-engage, because staying exposed invites counterplay. If a shot misfires or misses, immediately reposition 3 to 6 meters while rescanning the field so you don't get punished. This small move often saves the round. If problems persist, recalibrate your aim sensitivity or switch input polling between 60 Hz and 120 Hz to fix timing error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.